you guys, Saving with Shay, and I am here for my Walmart midweek haul for you guys. So listen, this is gonna be so easy. But first, for starters, if you're new here, yes, if you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, definitely take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. I only need 5 offers, y'all. This is gonna be stupid ass easy. Like, I only need 5 offers for $1. As far as my larger bonus, the Make It Pour bonus, that one I am at 86. So if I can clear 100 offers by the end of this haul, that would be flipping phenomenal. Meaning I would only need 50 more for the last 2 weeks of this month. But let me just say this, y'all. The deals are just not dealing right now. They're not dealing. And so I'm going to do the best that I can today. There's a ton of repeats, of course. Now, really quick, though, with the Rockstar, because a few guys keep asking, it should only take 24 hours and you need to get a response, right? So when you submit your receipt, you don't always get a response. Like, I did one receipt yesterday, and 3 times I tried, and nothing. I got nothing but crickets, right? And so first thing this morning, I resubmitted the receipt, and it finally went through. But you should get either... You should get either give us 24 hours to process your receipt, or your money's on the way, right? You should get one of 2 responses. If you don't get nothing, again, just try to submit that receipt until you get a response. Now, when they say give us 24 hours to process your receipt, I still keep trying because they never get back to me in 24 hours. I just keep trying. If you need to contact support, you guys just text the same number, text either help or support, and then they'll give you an email address that you can email them. And I've had to do that as well because some of the receipts, especially at the Dollar Tree, some of those receipts don't go through. Some of the receipts at Walmart, they look like duplicates, but they're not. And so I've had to contact support. So I finally got rid of all of my Rockstar. If y'all watched my last video, I had a crap load of Rockstar. I had so many cases of Rockstar between Walmart, Food for Less, and Dollar Tree. I took 4 cases to Josiah's school, which one of you guys reminded me, because I meant to take them there, just never like followed through with it. And so I took them 4 cases, and I took them all of the Starbucks drinks that I've been getting for all the staff, and they were so freaking happy about it. They were so excited. So whenever I get stuff like that, I'm definitely going to take it to his school. And then the rest of them I took to this place. If you guys are local to here, it's called the High Desert Second Chance Ministry. I don't know if it's ministry, but anyways, it's literally like 13 miles from the house, super close. So I dropped them. They were so freaking happy too. I took them so many cases there. He was like, where did you get all these? Did you just buy them? And I just told him I'm a couponer. They even took my pet food too, because usually I donate that to the pet shelter or whatever, but it's further than the food bank that I went to. So they took everything. I was like so excited. So all I have left in my trunk is clothes from Josiah, jackets, pants, and shoes that I gotta take to the homeless shelter next time I'm on that side of the town. But I'm so excited to get rid of all those Rockstars, you guys. It's not even funny. And so with that being said, you guys, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deal that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
I'm gonna be doing the M&M deal again. These are on rollback for $1.97. I'm grabbing one, getting back $1.50 on Fetch Reward. And then 55 cents on Brand Club will make this an 8-cent moneymaker. Now I do have an offer for, I think it's spend 10, get back 70 cents. So if I grab 3 of these, I'll pay $5.91. I'll get back $5.20 from Fetch. And then I'll get back 3 different surveys on Brand Club, 55, 50, and 45. It'll make all 3 free plus a 79-cent moneymaker. I know, whatever. I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna do one more again on the best food, price at $5.98. I'm getting back 2 on Ibotta and then 3 on Inbox Dollars, makes this only 98 cents. He wants the mug root beer. All right. I grabbed it. I thought it was at this store, but I think perhaps it wasn't. Because I don't see it at all. All right. I did see this deal posted over on Couponing with Eunice. She's the first one I saw post this freebie. You're gonna text free mug to, I'll insert the phone number. It's 737-377-3774. It'll make it absolutely free. Now I did this one. It took 2 days to go through, and then you have to answer a couple questions, confirm, agree, submit the receipt. And then they'll ask you if you want it to be Venmo or PayPal. And so, yeah, of course, because this is like the easiest deal that you can do to help, you know, obtain your big bonus, right? It's on the Pure and Beautiful. And Credibites, they're still on rollback for 106. Getting back 50 cents on Ibotta. There's also 40 cents or 100 kicks on Shopkick. I think I'm all out of brand club surveys. Making it only 16 cents for one. We're gonna go ahead and just grab 5. And so, really quick, I wanted to mention this. I did put a post on my community tab that the Blue Buffalo rebate did go through. I got mine yesterday, and I see that these are on rollback. They're normally $14.98. You'll get that back on, well, I'll actually add a link in the description if it's still available. But just want to give y'all a heads up. This rebate did go through. It took 3 whole freaking weeks, but it did go through. And they give you the option to do either a virtual gift card or a physical one. I usually do a virtual one and then add that to my Walmart pay, which I used yesterday. So I'm going to be grabbing the Clorox Sentiva again. The wipes are priced at $4.94. I went ahead and grabbed 4 of them. You'll end up paying $19.76, getting back 10 on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, or Tada. Now, I also had an offer on Shop Me 'Em for $1 as well. Making them $2.19 each. Now, I also grabbed the spray, which I don't see here. It's the Clorox Sentiva spray. It's priced at $5.12. I went ahead and grabbed 4 of those as well. The total is going to come to $20.48. You'll get back 580 points on My Points, which is $5.34 times 2, and then $1 on Alexa. So it makes them $2.20 each. And so, yeah, not a bad deal. All right, so I know a few of you guys had said that these were on clearance in your area and they hadn't put them on clearance yet, but they looks like this whole section is on clearance. And so they were $2.97, but now they're only $2. And so we're gonna grab one of these, getting back $2 on Ibotta, making it free. The limit is 3, so I'm gonna go ahead and just grab 3. And so, yeah, this is pretty awesome. Okay, so we're grabbing the Caress Deal again. These are priced at $5.17. And for this, you want to grab 2 of them. So you'll pay $10.34, getting back $3 on Ibotta, and then $3 on Alexa, $3 on Inbox dollars. It'll make them 67 cents each. Now, really quick, when I was submitting my receipt on Inbox, I had to keep resubmitting it because it wasn't going through. I think it was because of how it's printed on the receipt. It doesn't say Caress, but just keep trying. It'll eventually go through. It did for me. All right, so we're grabbing the Dove Even Tone again. It's on rollback for $6.73. 2 of them is going to be $10.34. Getting back total is $13.46. Getting back $3 for each on Ibotta, 4 on Alexa, and 4 on Inbox dollars, making this a 54-cent money maker. All right, guys. This deal right here, I think we all just about killed this deal. I don't have it anymore. It's on the Colgate. I keep saying Colgate, y'all. On the Colgate. It's the 2.7 ounce. They're priced at $128. This one was glitching on Shopkick. I'm getting back 550 kicks on Shopkick, which is $220. Makes a nice decent money maker, which is awesome. Limit is 4, grabbing 4 at one time, making it almost a $5 money maker. Now, I did this deal twice. One day, both receipts went through. Next day, I went back and grabbed 2 more transactions of 4. The first receipt went through, but it did not reset the second time. So rather than bring it back, which I'm not opposed to, of course, right, I went ahead and I tried for the other offer that was on there. I think it was for one of the character ones down there, and it went through for that one as well. So this one worked for 2 different offers on Shopkick. I don't have the offers anymore. Now, a few of you guys have said that your offers don't reset as fast or as frequently as mine do on Shopkick. Now, I always go based on the claim page, which is right here, right? Always go based on this page. As far as if you want to know what kicks you're getting back, always go based on this page because this is more accurate than the home pages, at least in my opinion. And so if the offer is here, then that means that it can be done again. And so normally when I do deals that are really good for Shopkick, I'll do 2 different transactions. And then if it resets, I'll submit the second receipt. And so I did that 2 days in a row and it's been working. Well, more days in a row, let me just say. So yeah, not a bad deal. Next deal right here is on the Shuck Hydro Silk. It's on the wax roller. Now I was watching couponing with who? Couponing with Eunice. She posted this deal. It wasn't this one though. It was another one, like a precision one. This store doesn't carry it though. I think that I forget how much that one's priced at, but this one is $10.98 and this one is double attaching on ShopMium as well. So you're gonna grab one of them at $10.98. There is an offer for $5 and there's one for $4 that it's working for. It's 850 points on my points, which is $5.34. Makes it a $3.36. I went ahead and grabbed the Skintimate as well. I wasn't gonna do this at first, but I figured, hey, why not? It's a moneymaker. And so it's priced at $627. No offer on Ibotta for this one for me. Getting back 4 on ShopMium, and then 680 points on my points, which is $5.27. So it makes it $1.73. All right, guys. So here is our complete haul for today. This worked out so amazing. This looks so good, but I feel like it's not nothing really, because like literally this is how many rebates on Ibotta? 1, 5. That's 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. That's it. Look, y'all. Look at that. To get rid of all the Rockstars. Thank you guys so much. Big shout out to you guys that did use my link, because y'all made it possible. Like I was able to donate 4 cases this morning to Josiah School for the office for the staff, the employees or whatever. I was able to donate at the food bank, and I gave them a ton. And then I also donated to the homeless shelter too, and I gave them a bit. I gave them probably like the same as what I took to the school, because I was just like, I don't know how much they're gonna need them there. But majority of them went to the local food bank, which is so freaking awesome. So big shout out to you guys. Y'all made that possible. All right, so thank you. And actually, you know what? For that, we'll do a giveaway. We're gonna give away 2 $20 Walmart e-cards again, because again, I can't thank you guys enough. And so of course you got to be subscribed, like the video. I'll give you some emojis that you can put to enter you, and then we'll do the giveaway in my next Walmart video. All right. But yeah, this all worked out really, really awesome. I think everything went straight through. There was an offer on the sister apps for $1 back for the Clorox. I didn't get that, although I did try. But I did get it back on, I got it back on Alexa. Let me check ShopMium and see if I got it back. ShopMium is still pending. I'm not really sure how that's gonna go though. I did get back the extra $1 on Alexa for that deal. I had to put a ticket in for the Dove. Excuse Josiah up there being his little human self. The Dove was on Inbox Dollar, and it was there before I went in, and by the time I submitted my receipt, it was gone, so I put a ticket in for that. They're usually pretty good though, I would say, reimbursing you. I do have screenshots just in case. And as you can see, we did the Colgate 4 times. I'm not sure if it's still working because I don't have the offers anymore. I know one of you guys said that it was working for you for the toothbrush. I didn't try it though. When I was there this morning, they only had one, so I didn't even try it. All right, so everything you see here retails $176.30. Obviously no coupons here today. I'm walking away with $65 back from aisles. Shopkick is $35.20. My points is $23.52. Ibotta came in 4th place today at $20.50. Inbox dollars is $17. Hopefully that's if I get back the 4 for the Dove. ShopMium is $14. That's if I get back that $1 for the Clorox. Alexa is $8. Fetch Reward is $5.20. The mug rebate, which is $4.98. And last but not least is Brand Club at $2.90. So I'm getting back a total of $196.30 back in rebates. Makes everything you see here free plus a $20 even moneymaker, which is crazy, right? And then my tax was $15.43. So the tax was a little high. But even after tax, we make $4.57, which is still not bad. Other than that, you guys, our emoji for the giveaway. Josiah, what's your emojis, bug? A radio and a door.
Also the letter S with it because I like the game Doors.
Okay, so a radio, a door, and an S emoji?
No, just an S.
Is there an S emoji? I don't think there's letter emojis.
No,
Just a letter?
S because I want it to be like one of my favorite games, Doors.
Okay, you guys, you heard it. So you want a radio emoji, a door emoji, and a letter S for radio doors. So we'll do two $20 Walmart e-gift cards. And I'll do the giveaway in my next video for you guys, all right? Hold up, swell up. Did we hit? Let me see if we hit 30,000. Josiah, do you think mommy hit 30,000 yet?
Yeah.
No! That's so close! I'm so close! No, I'm so close. Huh? You said yes? I didn't. I'm so close, you guys. Look, I'm so close. I need 3 more subscribers. If you watching and you not subscribed, subscribe. I'm 3 subscribers away from 30,000. Other than that, this outro was hella long. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.